Okay, guys, I'm here at the truck stop where you're normally supposed to pay for parking in Ontario, Cali. Pretty expensive. Let's try a trick and see if it works. Nobody wants to pay for parking. Hey, I'm getting the truck worked on. The girl told me to go to Bay 4. She says you could call her. We're good? All right. Thank you. I'll see you later. It's a true story, though, but just something to keep in mind. You know, this stuff gets expensive. So I'm going to be getting some tires and some work done. So he didn't even want the ticket. So hope I don't ruin it, because I know you guys on the internet, you guys like to exploit stuff. You know, chill, calm down, keep it as plan B in the back pocket. You know, stop exploiting everything. You know, stop playing with me. All right, well, you guys have an awesome day. And I got to get some tires put on this trailer. No? If not, I got to have that come to Jesus meeting with the DOT officer. We don't want that. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. I tell you, I really love to move out here to Cali. Hopefully one day I can make that thing go true, man. Guy and a girl holding hands walking in the street, man. Nice to see the love. Feel the love, the love. Tired of all the negativity. Tired of all the haters. All right, let's see now. Yeah. I can't remember if they told me to back in or pull in. I was sleeping. Waiting and waiting and waiting. So this is a good thing, how to avoid the pay to parking. Basically, when you do need service on your truck or trailer, you bring it to either the Petro or the TA. I'm here at the TA in Ontario, California. And just for those of you who don't know, it is right off Interstate I-10, exit 57, the Milliken Ave exit. So let's see, they said to go to Bay 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to back in. They're going to test me on my backup skills. Tired of paying for people's mirrors. I'm tired of paying and repainting fenders. Now, you know I'm joking, right? Truck's gonna be in the shop. All right, right after. I have me a fight. A soap, razors, shaving cream, and a scrub rag. Wish me luck on that one. Nobody has the patience anymore. Look at this night transportation. He's in a rush. He's in a rush. He ain't making no money, but he's still in a rush. No respect for us elderly out here. Getting it backing up. Just the mirrors, real important. Let's see where we going. I don't know why they got their service vehicle parked right over there. this is one of the biggest truck stops here in California. Right across the street is the Petro, and if you don't find parking in one, you usually can find it at the other. It's not cheap though, so you got to plan accordingly. If not, you're going to be reaching deep down in your pockets. Now again, they allow you to utilize receipt purchases to help offset the parking. So that's a usual tendency of causing you to spend when you usually don't. But if you do spend on food, you're able to use those receipts. In this case scenario today is I'm actually going to be buying a couple tires, so that service receipt will qualify and give me free parking for at least one more day as well. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. You see me now, later on you ain't gonna recognize me. You're gonna say, hey, who's that professional driver? I'm all not so good. Talk to you guys later.